everyone, and welcome back to Talk English Daily. I'm your host, Emini, and I'm super excited to help you level up your English skills today. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up for that big meeting, we're here to make speaking English fun and stress-free. Today's topic? Asking for clarification, specifically, how to confidently say, "Could you repeat that?" and other handy phrases to keep conversations flowing. Joining me is my awesome co-host, John. Hey, John.
Yo, Emini. Hey, listeners, this topic is a game changer. We've all been stuck when someone talks too fast or uses a word we don't get. Asking for clarification is like having a superpower to save the day.
Totally agree, John. Asking for clarification isn't just polite, it's a confidence booster. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the waiter's explaining the specials at lightning speed. If you can say, "Could you repeat that?" clearly, you're in control. No more guessing what's in the soup. John, ever had a moment where this saved you?
Oh, yeah. Last month, I was on a call with a client who mumbled something about KPIs. I was like, what? So I said, "Could you clarify that, please?" Turns out it was just business jargon, and we ended up bonding over it. Total win.
Love that. All right, beginners, let's start simple. The star phrase today is, "Could you repeat that, please?" Phonetics is, "Could you repeat that, please?" Break it down. Could you repeat that, please? Stress the re in repeat and keep please soft and rising, like you're inviting help. Try it slowly. Could you repeat that, please? Now faster, with confidence. Could you repeat that, please? Nice.
That's smooth, Emini. Another great one is, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Phonetics are soar, could, you, say, that, again. It's like, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Super polite, perfect for casual chats.
Exactly. Let's give our listeners 5 go-to phrases for asking for clarification. I'll say each slowly, then at normal speed. Pause and repeat after me. Your mini shadowing warm-up starts now. Could you repeat that, please? Slow. Could you repeat that, please? Normal. Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, could you say that again? Slow. Sorry, could you say that again? Normal. Sorry, could you say that again? Can you explain that a bit more? Slow. Can you explain that a bit more? Normal. Can you explain that a bit more? I'm not sure I follow. Could you clarify? Slow. I'm not sure I follow. Could you clarify? Normal. I'm not sure I follow. Could you clarify? What do you mean by that? Slow. What do you mean by that? Normal. What do you mean by that?
These are gold, Emini. Pro tip for beginners. Smile when you say these. It shows you're engaged, not annoyed. Body language matters.
Absolutely. Now, let's dive into our shadowing English practice. This is where you listen and repeat right after us, mimicking tone and rhythm. John, play a fast-talking colleague at work, and I'll ask for clarification. Listeners, shadow my lines. Pause if you need, but try keeping up.
Hey, Emini, we gotta finalize the deck for the Q3 sprint ASAP, you know? Lots of synergy in the pipeline.
Sorry, could you say that again? What's a deck?
A deck is just a presentation, like slides for the meeting.
Shadowing prompt. Emini repeats slowly. Shadow me. Sorry, could you say that again? What's a deck? Slow. Sorry, could you say that again? What's a deck? Normal speed repeat. Pause 5 seconds. Got it. And synergy?
Synergy means teamwork making things better, like collaboration.
Could you explain that a bit more? See how natural that feels? Shadowing helps you sound fluent. Record yourself and compare. Practice makes perfect. John, any advanced tips?
For sure. In formal settings like interviews, try, I'd appreciate it if you could elaborate. Phonetics, I'd appreciate it if you could elaborate. It's professional, but friendly. Stick to the basics first, though.
Time to wrap up. You've got 5 phrases, pronunciation tips, and shadowing practice to ask for clarification like a pro. Use one today. It's a small step to big confidence. Thanks, John, for the vibes.
Always a blast, Emini. Listeners, send us a voice note on our site with your shadowing. We might shout you out.
Definitely. Subscribe to Talk English Daily on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Podcasts, leave a review, and join us next time for more practical English tips. Keep talking, keep clarifying. Stars.